tune-up, it's a checkup of the complete heating cycle, the refrigeration, the filters. We clean the condensate drains, check the coils, make sure that the ductwork is secure, and check your thermostat to make sure it's working correctly.